Speaking English confidently every day can feel like a challenge, but it's absolutely achievable with the right approach. Let's dive into some key phrases that can help you express yourself more clearly. For instance, instead of saying, "I think it's good," try saying, "I believe it's a great idea." This small change adds strength to your opinion and shows confidence. Now, let's talk about some tips for speaking with confidence. One effective method is to practice speaking out loud, even when you're alone. This could be reading a book, describing your day, or even talking to yourself in the mirror. The more you hear your own voice speaking English, the more natural it will feel. Another great strategy is to listen actively. Engage with English media, podcasts, movies, or even YouTube videos. Pay attention to how native speakers express themselves. Notice their intonation, rhythm, and the phrases they use. Imitating these can help you sound more fluent and confident. Now, let's get into some practical exercises. Try this. Pick a short article or a news story. Read it aloud, then summarize it in your own words. This exercise not only improves your speaking skills, but also enhances your comprehension. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're a part of the learning process. To improve day by day, set small, achievable goals. For example, aim to learn and use 3 new phrases each week. Write them down and incorporate them into your conversations. Consistency is key. Even dedicating just 10 minutes a day to practice can lead to significant improvement over time. Finally, let's wrap up with a little motivation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each time you speak, you're one step closer to fluency. Keep pushing yourself, stay curious, and don't shy away from opportunities to practice. The more you engage with the language, the more confident you'll become. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey of learning English.